Unit 6, Lesson 3, Track 35. Samar's pen friend, Band 1. Listen and check your answers. 1E, 2G, 3C, 4A, 5F, 6H, 7B, 8I, 9D. Band 2. Listen to the conversation.
What are you doing, Samar?
I'm writing a letter.
Who are you writing to?
I'm writing to Judy.
Who's Judy?
She's my pen friend.
Where does she live?
In Canada. She's Canadian.
How did you find her?
I advertised in a magazine for a pen friend.
Oh, can I do that too?
Of course you can.
And do all pen friends come from Canada?
Of course they don't. They come from countries all over the world.
Are those photographs of Canada?
Yes, they are. Judy sent them to me.
Have you got the name of the magazine?
Yes, I have. I'll get it for you.